Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious steak skewers. First, choose a tender cut of beef like sirloin or ribeye. Next, cut your steak into uniform 1-inch cubes. This ensures everything cooks evenly. Then, marinate the beef for at least 30 minutes. A good marinade adds incredible flavor and helps tenderize the meat, making your skewers truly stand out. Before assembling, soak wooden skewers in water for at least 30 minutes. This prevents them from burning on the grill. Now, thread your marinated steak cubes onto the skewers, alternating with your chosen vegetables like bell peppers, onions, or cherry tomatoes. Remember to leave small gaps between each piece. This allows for better airflow and ensures everything cooks evenly. Now it's time to cook. Preheat your grill to medium-high heat. Place the skewers on the grill and cook for 8 to 10 minutes, turning them frequently. This ensures a beautiful sear on all sides and even cooking throughout. For a perfect medium rare, aim for an internal temperature of 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Adjust cooking time for your desired doneness. Once cooked, remove your steak skewers from the grill and let them rest for 5 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, resulting in a more tender and flavorful bite. Garnish with fresh herbs like parsley or cilantro for a vibrant finish. For an effortless home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this amazing product and other great deals in the description below. Enjoy your delicious homemade steak skewers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.